was thick with foreboding as Sultan Musab stood on the balcony of his palace, gazing at the unnatural red moon. The air was electric with tension, and the ominous storm clouds above seemed to mirror the unease in his heart. His eyes narrowed, sensing a darkness far beyond the horizon. Suddenly, a frantic messenger burst through the palace gates, his face pale as he delivered news of the jinn. Al-Zahar, whispering doom across the land. Sultan Musab turned to his most trusted warriors, their faces lit by the flickering torchlight. He spoke with unwavering resolve.
"We will march at dawn. The wicked shall not defile our land,"
he declared, his voice echoing through the hall. The warriors nodded, their loyalty unshaken, ready to follow their leader into the heart of darkness. The horses trudged through the thickening mist, their hooves silent on the sand. Sultan Musab led his men with a steady hand, his eyes scanning the horizon for any sign of the enemy. Whispers danced on the wind, chilling even the bravest hearts as the presence of Al-Zahar grew stronger. The warriors clutched their weapons tighter, their breaths visible in the cold, spectral air. With a spine-chilling shriek, Al-Zahar emerged from the shadows, his form monstrous and terrifying. Sultan Musab faced the jinn with unwavering faith.
"Allah is my shield,"
he proclaimed, his voice steady and strong. The jinn hissed, its threat echoing through the ranks. But the Sultan's conviction remained unbroken, a beacon of light against the encroaching darkness. The battlefield erupted into chaos as swords clashed and arrows flew like deadly rain. Sultan Musab fought with divine purpose, his every move guided by unshakable faith. King Edric, clad in cursed armor, raged with a dark fury, empowered by Al-Zahar's sinister magic. Yet, as the jinn attempted to invade Musab's mind, he recited sacred verses, causing the malevolent entity to wail in agony. In a desperate gambit, the jinn merged with King Edric, their combined form a terrifying force of darkness. Sultan Musab stood resolute, the name of Allah a shield upon his lips. With a mighty swing, blessed by the prayers of the faithful, his sword cleaved through the darkness. Edric's body fell, the jinn's shriek echoing as it was torn back to the abyss, defeated by unwavering faith. The sun rose over the battlefield, painting the sky in hues of hope and renewal. Sultan Musab surveyed the field, the weight of victory settling upon his shoulders. His people were safe, the darkness vanquished. The tale of his triumph would echo through the ages, a testament to the power of faith, courage, and the will of Allah to overcome any adversity.